The easiest way to make money online ever. I'm sure you hear that all the time. I'm sure you've seen all of these crazy methods. Well, in today's video, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you this method from start to finish. I'm going to share with you proof. I'll even share with you actual results like this on the screen. And here's a guarantee. If you watch this video till the end, I can guarantee by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this method works, how to get it set up, and basically you can get this whole method up and running today. And when I say this is the easiest method for earning money online, this is coming from my own personal experience because, as many of you may know, I do YouTube, I do affiliate marketing, niche websites, I have an agency, I do my own courses, I have a private community, and lots of things going on. In the 7 years, 7 years I've been doing this whole thing online full time, I've never seen anything quite as simple as that. So let's dive into today's video and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Okay, so welcome to today's video, and as promised, we'll just dive straight into this. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking and sharing about the TikTok affiliate program. Now, I originally discovered this the back end of October last year. I set it up in November and I did a case study. And look, I'll share this with you. I'll put a link to this article over here. This is my first 6 months on the TikTok shop. You can go over and have a read of this. Okay, so look, I'll scroll this up so you can see again everything I'm telling you is true because every method that I'm sharing with you, I like to trial it and test it. Okay, so this article walks through everything about the TikTok affiliate program, and I'll show you this now really quickly. So we'll scroll down here and you can see how it this was it. So this was our first 4 months, first 4 weeks with the TikTok affiliate program. In our first 4 weeks, as you can see down here, we earned £2,700 in commission. That's a little over $3,000. Now, I couldn't believe that, like genuinely, because obviously I trial and test all these different methods for earning online. That was from the first 4 weeks. And at the time when I was doing that and I was documenting it and doing the case study for it, we was using AI. We wasn't even using the products. Like, so now obviously we get lots of different products. At the time, I didn't have any products. I was just using the AI video builder inside of TikTok and doing this. Okay, and then I mean literally that was the first month. I couldn't believe it. Fast forward to the second month, I'll show you this, and then we'll dive into the good stuff. That there is how much we earn in the second month, £5,500. Again, I could not believe it for this method. So what is it? So if you do not know, TikTok has the TikTok shop. It's available in a number of countries, and essentially it's basic affiliate marketing. So you can record a video about a product, and then if somebody watches that product and clicks a link to buy the product, you earn an affiliate commission. It's unbelievable. It really is. Now that was I started that in November last year. Fast forward to today, everything has skyrocketed. It has been insane. I mean, literally, let me get this up here. I'll show you this, okay? So you see this over here. Can you see that? This is some aftershave, Diesel Spirit of the Brave. I got sent that for free. I've got another product over here, which is a little video gaming console. I got sent that for free. This one over here has arrived this morning. This is a, what is that? It's a dump truck, a little remote control dump truck. So let me just put all this down. Okay. So this is the concept of how it works, okay? So with this, and this is why I say it's the easiest method for earning money online. You don't need a website. You don't need an email list. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't need all the traditional things that you would, require to start earning online. It is as straightforward and simple as if you have one of these, a phone, that was free by the way. If you have a phone, you can get this method up and running. And what I'm going to do is I'll dive in my phone and I'll show you the TikTok shop. I'll show you the potential earnings with this and other bits, okay? But that is the whole concept. You start uploading videos on TikTok with your affiliate link, somebody watches it, buys the product, then you can earn a pretty decent amount of money. Now, there are requirements for this, so let's dive over here and we'll look at the requirements for this. Okay, so we're on here for the requirements, but first of all, we need to make sure it's available in your country. So what countries is this currently available in? And it's changing all the time, okay? But you can see down here, this is where the TikTok shop is available currently. So we've got Asia and we've got these countries over here. We've then got Europe, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Ireland. We've got UK, and then we've also got the United States. And again, this is changing, okay? So first of all, you must be in one of those countries in order to participate in the TikTok shop affiliate program. So if you are in one of those, green tick, you can move on. So these are the requirements. And again, look, these requirements change probably every 3 months really, because when I first started it's changed since then. So for example, if you live over here in the UK, the requirements are you must have posted two can you see that, 2 videos within the last 28 days. You must have over 1,000 followers and you must be over 18. Straightforward and simple. Over in the US it did used to be 10,000, but you can see here, look, 5,000. So over in the US, you must have a minimum of 5,000 followers and you must be over 18 years of age. And then you must have posted a couple of videos. Now that's a stumbling block for many people in the beginning, is the followers. There are a number of ways around it, like anything. So how can you reach the followers if you don't have those? Well, really straightforward and simple. Number one is you can just buy the followers. Cheap, inexpensive to do, yeah, and you can get that up and running probably within a couple of hours. The other thing you can do, and people have done this over in our Facebook group, is you just simply go onto TikTok, type in follow train, and it's exactly how it sounds. There's videos on there where it's a follow train, people comment, and if you comment and follow the people on that post, then they will follow you back. Again, really straightforward and simple, and there's loads of different ways you can do it. I mean, the other option is you just simply take your phone out and just grind it out, but those are two of the quick ways of doing this. There did used to be a workaround where you could open up a seller shop on TikTok and become an affiliate that way, but I wouldn't recommend it. People have been getting their accounts closed down. So buying followers, creating content, grinding out, or doing follow trains. That is a couple of ways that you can do this, okay? Once you've met those requirements, then you can apply to the TikTok affiliate program. And look, if you have any other questions about this, by the way, just simply comment down below this video and I will get back to you. Or go on Facebook, type in Not Taught at School. It's a free Facebook group. We've got 4,500 members in there now, all sharing tips and strategies and methods around the TikTok affiliate program. But then once you've got that, you can apply to the affiliate program, and it's pretty much an instant thing. You apply, you get accepted, and then once you get accepted, you get everything inside of the affiliate program. You can see the products, you can see the commissions you can earn, you can also see other creators and lots more. So for this part of the video, what I am going to do is I'm going to switch over to my phone over here and I'll show you inside of that, okay? So I'll see you in my phone. Okay, welcome. So I'm over in one of my smaller accounts. This is our test account. Basically, we test products on this account. If it does well, then I'll put them onto the main account. But this is how it looks once you've been accepted into the TikTok affiliate program. So at the top, you can get a snapshot of how much you've done in the last 7 days, today, etc. But this is where it's the cool bit. So if I scroll this up, you will see now at the top it says TikTok Shop Toolkit. Along this little tab here, you can get everything you need for the TikTok affiliate program. So if I click on product marketplace now, this is everything within the TikTok affiliate program, whereby you can find these products, you can become an affiliate for them and start creating content and earning money. And you can see on here, there's absolutely loads. So top picks for you, you can see the product, you can see what it is, how much you can earn as an affiliate, and the cost of this. Okay, so you can scroll through here. You can also see up here we've got trending brands, and then we've got recommended for you at the top. Now if you notice where it says recommended for you, on the left hand side it says filter, free sample, high star rating. If I now click on free sample, this should, there you go, look, it's showing me all of the products now. Oh, it's got let me press that again, free sample. It's going to show me all of the products which are available to me with a free sample, and I can apply for them. Absolutely awesome, it really is. Now look, obviously in the beginning when you apply for a free sample, it's very unlikely, if yours is a brand new account and you don't have any sales history, that you're going to get sent that. However, once you've made a few sales, then companies are more than likely to send you a free sample. And I mean, fast forward to today, I have got ridiculous amounts of free samples, okay? So you can see all of the products on here. You can see the different free samples. You can also filter this via different categories. So at the top here, if I clicked on sports, I can go into that category, or menswear, etc. And this is how you find different products, okay? Once you see one that you like the look of, say this here, we click on there, it opens up, and then it will tell you information about it. So this product over here, I can earn £2.48 per sale. The stock is actually currently low. They've only got 8 available, or you can find similar products. And the concept is you would find a product that you like the look of, you would click on Add to Showcase. So at the bottom, you'd click on Add to Showcase, which that then means it goes into your showcase on TikTok. Essentially, your own little shop on TikTok. And then you just create a video. Now, you can create videos in a number of ways. You can do a slideshow like this. People have done slideshows. People have done green screens where they're just talking over the top of this. Or you could even have the product. And here's the other thing about this as well is, with these products on TikTok, what I recommend to people when they're first starting out is, if you go into something like groceries or sweets and chocolate or things like this, a lot of this stuff over here you can see in local shops and local stores. So you can do a price comparison and put your video up and say, check these out down below. There's a link. It's a lot cheaper than you'll find in this shop or that shop. Someone buys it and you earn an affiliate commission. It's just awesome. It really is. So let me dive back over to the laptop now. Now we've had a brief look at this and you know how to find a product in your commissions, and then we'll talk about video creation, okay? Okay, we're back, and this is where I'm going to give you another free resource, and this will help you when it comes to video creation, okay? So let me come over here, and I'm going to click on blog. And again, I'll put a link to this down below for you, okay? So this over here, effective hooks for TikTok shop affiliates. So when you're creating a video, you want that video to, number one, not be salesy. You don't want to come across as you're selling a product right out of the gate, because people don't like being sold to. So in terms of a video and how you would structure your video, you would need something which is called a hook at the beginning of the video. And you can do this in a number of ways. You could have a visual hook, you could have a text hook, or you could have your hook as the actual product, okay? But let me show you this. I'll give you this as well. I'll put a link to this down below. This is a pretty long article where we went over effective hooks for TikTok shop affiliates. So different types of hooks you can be using in all of your videos, okay? And again, these are backed by proof. So if I scroll down here, again, a bit of talk about why you should be using these. Look, we've got examples of these, but then come down here, look, we've got actual hooks to be using in your content and why you should be using them, okay? And you can see, look, real life examples from my own account. So this one over here, this was a controversial hook. This one over here had 1.4 million views. This one down here, look, 4.2 million views. And there are lots of different hooks you can be using, okay? So like challenge and dares, countdowns and lists down here, scroll up, teasers and previews, personal stories, and there's loads more in this article as well, okay? So I'll link that down below for you. But you need to be using a hook in every single video, because obviously people's attention spans are pretty terrible. So when someone's got the phone and they're just scrolling through, you want that to, impact them so that they stop scrolling, watch your video, and fingers crossed, click the link and buy the product, okay? So you need to be using hooks, and I'll put a link to that down below. So look, that is pretty much today's video so far. If you have, as I said, any questions about the TikTok affiliate program, then please comment down below. I'll put a link to this article over here for you with the effective hooks, and I'll also put a link over to the original article, which was my own journey on TikTok, because like I said, I've been doing this now nearly a year. It's incredibly simple. It just takes, as always, a little bit of time and effort. So look, if you have anything else about this, anything that doesn't make sense, anything you want to know, please do let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon.